Today we are going to explore how the sum of the angles of a triangle equals 180 degrees. To begin, we will construct a triangle. Using the segment tool on the left, we'll construct one side. Similarly, we will connect a second side. And finally, we'll connect the third side, giving us a complete triangle. It's helpful to label each point. So we're going to use the text tool. The left point is going to be A, the top point will be B, and the right point will be C. Now that we have a triangle, we're trying to explore how the sum of all three of the angles equals 180 degrees. So to begin, let's measure each angle. So to start out, we'll measure angle ABC, which would be this angle right here. In order to do that, we need to select the points in that order. So we'll select A, B, and C, and we will go up to the measure tool and angle. That gives us the measure of angle ABC is 61.10 degrees. Similarly, we'll now get the angle degree of angle C. So we'll click B, C, and A. We'll go to measure and we'll go to angle. And we see how it's 44.10 degrees. Finally, to measure angle A, we'll click C, A, B, and similarly we click measure and angle, and we get that it's 74.80 degrees. So now that we have each of the three angle measures, we'd like to see how the sum of them totals 180. So in order to do this, we need to highlight all three angles by clicking on them. Then we're going to go up to the number tool and click calculate. Now we're going to select each of the three angles that we already created to put into this calculation. So let's select the first one, and we'll click the addition because we're adding. Select the second angle, we'll add it to the third angle. And that's going to be our sum of the degrees of the triangle. Now we need to just hit OK, and we see over here that the measure of ABC plus the measure of BCA plus the measure of angle CAB gives us 180 degrees. Now, you might be thinking this just works for this case, but watch as we move each angle around how that total of 180 degrees stays the same. So we're going to move angle C a little bit out here to the right. You notice that each of the angles, so BCA changed to 33.6, CAB changed to 63.26, and ABC changed to 83.14. But the sum of all three of those angles stayed at 180 degrees. So we could move point B, and we see the exact same thing happening. We're only getting the total of 180 degrees. We also could move point A, and while each individual angle is changing, we still observe that the sum of the angles of a triangle equals 180 degrees.